What's up guys, welcome back, you're watching for Tech. We all are eagerly waiting for OxygenOS 16.0.7 aka 16.1 update for remaining OnePlus devices like OnePlus Nord series, OnePlus 12, 11 and Nord C series devices. But today OnePlus started to roll out the early beta release of August SOTA update B100P01 for all OnePlus devices. My OnePlus Nord 5 was running on the OxygenOS 16.0.5 V1002 with the SOTA version EX01B90P01. Through release candidate section, I received this new August SOTA update which is around 515 MB in the size. Although this update didn't include a big changelog, it brings some amazing user interface changes and the new features to OnePlus Phone Manager. This is August SOTA update and it has started rolling out gradually. It will be soon available for OnePlus 11, 12, 13, 15 series and other eligible OnePlus devices. So all OnePlus users should watch this video till the end because I will review all the new phone manager features and other important details. Now without further delay, let's get started. So my OnePlus Nord 5 has been updated. Let's check out its OxygenOS version details. Remember, all OnePlus devices receiving this update will have almost same changes, with only few minor differences which I am going to review. The software version of my Nord 5 is still OxygenOS 16.0.5 V102, but the SOTA version has now been updated to B100P01. However, the security patch is still from the old June 2026. While the OnePlus 12R and 11 series devices had already received the July 2026 security patch through the previous small OT updates. This update brings new version of Phone Manager which is now 17.3.3. I have provided the extracted APK of this version in the description. You can download and install it if you haven't received this update and want to try all the new features. This new phone manager comes with the completely redesigned user interface and several new features. On the left side, this is the new phone manager and on the right side is the old version. The top section of both versions has almost same layout. However, if you scroll down, you will notice a major difference in the tools section. All the tools optimizations now have modern card style design. In old phone manager version, there was a more button that allowed us to access all phone manager options. In the new version, that more button has been replaced with the edit button. By selecting it, you can customize the phone manager home screen shortcuts. Simply tap the delete button to remove any shortcut you don't need, and then add the preferred phone manager tools to empty space according to your convenience. This makes the phone manager much easier to customize the phone manager homepage. Another major change in this new update is a new floating navigation bar at the bottom with the Home and Utilities tab. Utilities section includes all the phone manager settings that were previously available under the More option. This floating navbar makes it much more convenient to switch between the home page and the utilities. Next, you will notice a major change in the storage cleanup section. The new version introduces the refreshed user interface with the colorful elements. The junk file cleanup option at the top is now highlighted with the orange color with the cleaner design. Below that, you will still find the recommended optimization and app cleanup option. But underneath that, the new version now organizes all cleanup features into well-structured categories, making it much easier to access options like app cleanup and recommended cleanup. In old version, all of these features were grouped together under the single deep cleanup section. This is much better organization of content, making the navigation easier and phone manager more user-friendly. So these are the new features of phone manager included in this update, and they should be available for all devices once they receive the August SOTA update. Apart from this, the update also brings system stability improvement and optimization. My Nord 5 had been feeling quite laggy over the past few days, but after updating to this version, I can already feel a slight improvement. The device is now running smoother and faster, although I still notice few scrolling jitters and some delayed touch response. I will continue testing the performance and the battery life of this update over the few next 2 to 3 days. And then I will release the detailed post covering the battery backup and overall performance via YouTube community and Telegram post. So stay tuned to our channel. I have installed this update on Nord 5, OnePlus 12R and 11R, and all of these three devices have same new features. I will also update the description of this video once the moderator Winky provides the official rollout timeline and the list of eligible devices. That's all for today guys. Hope you enjoyed our video. If you did, please like, share and hype this video. Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press bell icon so you will never miss out our upcoming content. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.